Hey, welcome back to DSR. I'm Zoe and this is our Back to Basics series and we are on episode 5. And today we're actually going to start the bike. So before you hop on, you might want to just check that your bike is in a comfortable place for you to start. When you're ready, hop onto your bike. I like to hold onto the front brake, make sure that it doesn't move. Give me some unexpected surprises. Jump on, make sure I'm comfortable and flick the side stand up. Once I'm on, I like to position my weight so I'm flat-footed at least on one side, and now I hold onto the back brake with my right foot. For me, when I jump onto most bikes, I'm not flat-footed, so I find this just gives me the most stability in holding the weight of the bike. Next, you're just going to check that your mirrors are in the correct position so you can see as much of the road behind you as possible. Next, you're going to turn the key in the ignition, and your dash is going to illuminate. I can see from the dash that I'm in neutral, so that's all good. I'm still covering the rear brake just in case. And now it's time to click onto the starter switch. And there you go, you've switched on your bike. On the next video, you'll be learning how to pull off. If you are finding these videos helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And until the next one, ride safe. Mine are perfect.